Hello guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Facebook and your Instagram account together, how to link them together. Okay, if you are a new builder, that means you are starting out in business and you want to run ads, you need to link your Facebook and Instagram account together. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, so here we are. So one thing you want to do is, now I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to link your Facebook and your Instagram together. If you're a beginner, you are new, then this is something you need to do. Okay, so one thing you need to do is go to your Instagram page. Make sure you are logged in on your Instagram page, number one. Then second thing you want to do is go to your Facebook. Alright, ensure that you are logged in also on your Facebook platform as well. Okay, that's the second thing you want to do. Ensure you're logged in on your Facebook platform as well. Then when you are done, you come back to your Instagram. Okay, then click on edit profile. Oh, sorry, before then click here, then go to settings. Depending on the mobile device you're using, go to settings, go to account setting. Okay, so now this is where you get connected. So mine is connected, showing connected already. So let me just show you what is going to happen. So I've removed it. This is how it should be, as if yours is not yet connected. Okay, so although there are times you can run ads without a Facebook account, but I recommend that you always have a Facebook account if you want to run your ads. Okay, so just click here to set up the account, click continue, click OK. Alright, it should automatically set up. If it doesn't set up, then there's a fault coming somewhere. Alright, but ensure that your Facebook account is logged in. That is the most important thing. So when you are done, click on edit profile. Okay, now this is where the page is, the place root page. Okay, that's one thing you want to check out to be sure that it's connected to a page. That's just how you can link it. So if it's not connected to a page, what you need to do is to click here, then click on create, and you see create new page. I'm not going to do that. I don't want else my account is going to be tampered. So you just click on create new page, click on that, and then you can create a new page. Okay, so that's how you create one. Once you just click it once. If you are setting it up for the first time, just click it once, and then that page is being created. All right, then when you are done, you can be able to now run your ads using this. So this is how to link your Facebook account and your Instagram account together. Okay,